Welcome to 824 Rolling Meadow, where wide open spaces meet possibility. With no HOA and over 1.7 acres of land, this home has everything you've been looking for in the great state of Texas. Welcome to 824 Rolling Meadow, where wide open space meets everyday convenience. This one-of-a-kind property offers the rare combination of freedom, privacy, and possibility. Set on a spacious lot with no HOA, you finally have the flexibility to live life your way. Whether that means parking your RV, storing your boat, or even building that dream shop you've always wanted. The home does already have a shed included, which is very spacious, and you'll find it in the yard. Unlike cookie-cutter neighborhoods, this home sits on a beautiful piece of land that gives you room to breathe and grow. Unlike those cookie-cutter neighborhoods where every home looks the same and every builder floor plan tends to blend into one, this unique one-of-a-kind opportunity features enough space and the flexibility for you to bring your boat. Do you enjoy the lake that is very close by? Actually, there's more than one lake here. You can bring your boat. If you're an RVer or if you have a fifth wheel, all of those possibilities are here for you to enjoy. This property is sure to please anyone who values privacy, freedom, and the ability to entertain friends and family. Inside, you'll find a home that's been lovingly maintained with new carpets, new appliances, offering a warm and inviting layout that's perfect for daily living and entertaining. And with plenty of space, both inside and out, this property is the perfect blend of functionality and freedom. So if you've been looking for a property that doesn't box you in, with no HOA, room for your toys, and land you can actually use, your search ends at 824 Rolling Meadow. Priced at only $469,000, this home will not last long. So to be the first to be notified of this or any other new listings, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To schedule a tour of this property, reach out to
Coach Jessica Nelson on Instagram, YouTube, or any other social platform you might find her phone number.
You like that she has to bend down to talk to her mother, right? See you guys soon.